Here's how to choose whether you will show notifications on the lock screen or don't show any at all. This is a nothing phone with Android 15, and here are the settings that you can make changes to. To make changes to lock screen notifications, go ahead and use a quick access by pulling it down twice or do a single swipe to get to this access right here, this setting right there. And once you get into that there, the first place you want to go to is where it says lock screen, this right here. And as you enter here, you'll see where it says what to show at the very top. You'll go ahead and tap on that one time. And this is your main control. This is going to say show all or don't show notifications at all. So that's the setting that you want to go with if you don't want any at all to show. There is one more here as you go down, when to show. This basically will wake your screen for notifications. So if your phone is currently set on the table, it's on the off screen, and you get a new notification, this here is going to light up your screen, letting anyone nearby or you know that you got a new notification. If you don't want that, turn that off, okay? This one right here. Now, one more setting, and as you come out of here, go down to notifications. And once you're in the notifications section here, you'll go down a little bit and you have one more, which gives you one extra notification compared to before, in which you can check it out, see for yourself, and choose which one you would want to go with. And that is that like and sub.